Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me. Walter forgot his mic. I'm at the workbench. So, I think my diamonds are wearing out. I've tried to sharpen on this 1000 grit, I think for 7 years, 8 years. And it's still doing its job, but I think my diamonds may have outlived their usefulness. So I may have to break out my other diamond plates and build a nice little sharpening stand for them, because this one's just making me work harder. That's when you know that your diamonds may have been worn out. And what I was doing was putting an edge on this inexpensive blade I got off Amazon. And it gave me a good edge. That's not the problem. It's making beautiful shavings, no nicks. So I'm not worried about that. That's why in the past I have said, sometimes you are better off using the sandpaper on glass, because once the sandpaper's shot, you throw it away, it's a couple bucks maybe. And you get a nice fresh one, cuts beautifully. So it's a wear item in the shop. Just like the blades, they're a wear item. So other than putting the replacement blade in this Miller's Falls and sharpening it on the diamond plate, I have not done any restoration to this. Cutting beautifully. So the old saying, diamonds are forever. Sadly, that's not true. Not workshop diamonds, after all. So, stay tuned. I'll get the other ones out, and we'll figure out some way to put them together. Maybe that I can tuck them underneath the bench when I don't need them, and then take them out. Hope this was helpful, useful, maybe entertaining. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.